Hi class. Right now you should be hard at work on your annotated bibliographies, which are due soon. So I wanted to go ahead and make a video explaining more about what an annotated bibliography is, what its purpose is, and what role it plays in the writing process. An annotated bibliography is quite simply a list of sources you are reading in order to prepare to write a paper. Most of these sources will probably be integrated into the final paper you write, although it is not uncommon for your sources to change as you are reading and writing and thinking about your paper topic. This is partly because doing all of this research, reading what others have said about your topic within your field, is going to help you tweak your specific argument. Remember that you want to write to the gap. You want to write an article that your discourse community, your audience, actually wants to read. And they don't want to read something that they've already read 100 times before. So when you're choosing your topic, when you're tweaking your topic at this point, make sure that you are writing something new, either an entirely new topic or offering a new perspective on an old topic. For this particular annotated bibliography, you have to have 5 to 7 sources included, and for each of those sources, you have to summarize the content, you have to make a statement about the credibility of the source, you have to assess the source's usefulness for your eventual paper, and you have to synthesize that source with at least one more source that is also included on your annotated bibliography. This is so that you can see now how your sources are talking to each other, where the connections are between the sources. Also, don't forget to put that introductory paragraph up at the top of your annotated bibliography. You can think of this as a practice introduction for your eventual paper, but that paragraph will really nicely situate your readers inside your context so that when they're reading your annotated bibliography, they know where it is you are heading. I put up a bunch of resources on annotated bibliographies for you on Canvas, so make sure that you're reading all of those, including the examples. While the examples were not necessarily written for this particular assignment, I think they give you a really good idea of the role an annotated bibliography is supposed to play. You really want to think of writing this annotated bibliography as making the writing of your paper easier. At every point in the writing process, be thinking about how is what I'm doing preparing me to write that next paper. All right, if you have any questions, you know how to get in touch with me. Good luck.